Welcome to Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. Today, we'll go over how to configure the Time Off app and how to accept or refuse time off or time allocation requests when you are the administrator/manager. Let's get started. Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Scroll down and go into the Time Off app, which is the bust with the little clock icon. The main feature here is the calendar that will display all the time off/allocations submitted or your own. You may view this calendar by the day, the week, the month, or the year. If you click on a request on the calendar, a little information card will pop up. If you're viewing your own calendar, you also have the option to edit or delete this request. On the upper right part, we have the usual Elite Technique search assistance. We have filters, favorites, and the search bar. And below this, you will see the type of time off if you're viewing your own calendar, or the name of the employee if you're viewing everyone else's. You can check on or off the box next to them in order to either show or hide them. Click on Configuration located at the top of the screen and select Time Off Types from the drop-down menu. Here we have all the time off types that we've created. Choose one and click on Edit to perform any changes. Click on Create to create a new time off type. Give your time off type a name. Under Options, you may set if the time off will be taken in days, half days, or hours. Set the duration or validity of this time off type. You can also set the mode under Allocation Requests and who's responsible for approving any time off. If you appoint a time officer to carry out this task, you must assign who it will be in the field next to where it says responsible. When this information is complete, you can also click on Group Time, where you will see all of the time off requests your employees/users have submitted and can easily action them and or edit them. Choose a request and then click on Edit, meaning that you have the power to modify anything on this request. As the manager, you have the ability to set the mode, whether it's by employee, company, department, etc. You may also change the employee's department if you wish. Check on the little dot next to where it says Reported in Last Payslips if that was the case. As the admin/manager, you can also add any comments, and just like all across Elite Technique, we have the History/Log Notes section on the right side that also gives us important information on this request, and it will always show you any change you make or any modification or any information you add to this request. Just above Time Off Type, there is a notice from the system indicating that this particular employee has a different time zone than yours. So you will always be informed of any important piece of information pertinent to this request or the employee. Finally, you may also approve, refuse, or mark as draft this request right there. And don't forget to hit save to complete the process. If you were appointed as the time officer, the Managers tab at the top of the screen will become available. Click on it and select either time off or allocations in order to manage/edit/approve any requests submitted. If you are editing or creating a time allocation besides the normal settings, you also need to select if it's a regular or an accrual allocation. Of course, like in all across Elite Technique, we have the ability to run reports of many kinds with all this information and data gathered. This in itself is a complete absence management system, and it's only one small part of what this software can do. Thank you very much.